Hi everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a modern poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document with these dimensions. Set the background color to black. Select the Type tool and enter your text. Change the font to Go bold. Set the tracking to -50 to reduce the spacing between the letters. Press Ctrl+T to rotate the text and adjust its size. Slightly extend the text. Apply a red color to it. Go to the File menu. Place Embedded, select your image, and click on the Place button. Go to the Select menu and Subject. Use the lasso tool to include any remaining areas in the selection, holding the Shift key while doing so. Add a layer mask to isolate the subject. Press Ctrl+T to refine the image size and position. Select the text layer and match its color with the red tone from the image. Use the Type tool to add additional text, following the same text settings. Some text is pre-prepared to save time. Select the image layer and add a new blank layer above it. Set the foreground color to red. Choose the brush tool, apply the specified settings, and paint accordingly. Repeat the process as shown. Add another blank layer. Change the color to black and apply the brush along the bottom area. Select the text layer and place the leaf shadow image. Adjust its position and scale. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Set the blend mode to multiply and rasterize the layer. Using the lasso tool, select the top portion and move it to the upper part of the text. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer at the top of the Layers panel. Apply a different color and change its blend mode to hue. And that's it. Feel free to share your thoughts, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.